Hey guys, today I'm doing a video of an unboxing video for a candy box. I was lucky enough to get them to send me one. I made a request and they ended up sending me a free candy box to show you guys. I'm really excited because, you know, I love candy. It's a North American box, so I don't really know what to expect from this. Like, if it's just candy I could just get from any corner store, or if it's something pretty special. The box, I believe, it's $40 for the big box or $20 for the mini box. I'm assuming this is the mini box because it didn't look too big. The mini box has about 7 to 12 items, while the bigger one has 15 to 20, so I guess once I open it, we'll figure that out. I'm really excited to see what's in here, so let's open it. Use my scissors to make it quicker. And they have tape all around it. Alright, so let's open it up. Ha! Okay. Ooh. Let's see if there's a card in here that tells me what's in here. Nope, no card. Okay. There's quite a good mixture in here. It is mostly like candy you could get a hold of. But I'll start showing you what I have. So we have some green apple Pop Rocks. Awesome. Then we have a pizza gummy candy. These are probably my favorite things I would get for Halloween as a kid. Any gummy candy, really. Ooh. There's new Airhead Bites. I guess I'll try these out for you. They seem pretty cool. This one is a blackberry one. They're pretty chewy. We have a different, like a the texture isn't like a normal Airhead. It's more like a regular chewy candy. They're actually pretty good. I want to try another one. There's an orange one. This one is banana berry. That's a little different. Tastes like strawberry banana. Like a milkshake. Alright, let's try something else. We got some Jelly Bellies. Assorted flavors. Sweet. And some more. This I've never seen before. I'm assuming this is bubblegum. It's called Blackjack. Aniseed flavored shoes. Classic recipe. No idea what this is. I don't even know what aniseed is. They're individually wrapped. It's like a black gum or candy. I'm still assuming it's a gum. Cool wrapping paper, I guess. Alright, let's try this out. Oh, yeah, aniseed's black licorice. I feel dumb. This is actually really freaking good. Very sticky. I can't even get it off my tooth when I'm chewing. I have to find these somewhere. It was delicious. I don't think it's gum though. Really fucking chewy. Well, I don't mean to swear, but I'm gonna swallow this. You know, I'd eat this whole pack right now, but I have to let my boyfriend try this. My CD is done importing. Ignore that. This is a salted nut roll. So it's crunchy, salty, sweet, and chewy. I don't know what's on the inside. It has like a, I guess, a cream filling, maybe coconut. Let's try. Okay. So it looks like there's like peanuts, maybe cashews or something, some caramel. Let's see. Pretty good. Kind of tastes like an O. Henry. I couldn't really taste the middle yet, so I'll take another bite. Really soft. You can't really taste the middle. All I taste is peanuts. Peanuts. I don't know. It's pretty good. It says there is stuff like peanut, sugar, corn syrup, milk, salt, coconut oils. Pretty good. Alright, what else is in here? Ooh, Butter Rum Lifesavers. Those are delicious. Anything that's like butterscotch. And Werther's are my favorite. This is Bob Bat's banana flavored taffy. Oh, that sounds really, really good. I don't think I need to test out what taffy tastes like in front of you, but I'll eat that later. Wine gums. The cool thing about this being a North American box is some of the stuff comes from the States, so these might be common to you, but not me, because this is Rowntree's. I have never heard of this before. Fruit pastels, Frusions. I do not even know what this is. It's by Nestle though. Well, I'll try one out. Excuse me. Oh wow, they're pretty hard. I thought it would have been like soft, chewy candies by the pictures. Like you can see on it, like that. Yeah, but it's actually pretty hard. I can't even really squish it. Well, not too bad. They have like a sugar coating on them. That's really, really good. It kind of has like the chewiness like a wine gum does, but just covered in sugar. Yummy. Then I have another taffy. This one. Strawberry. Not the biggest fan of strawberry flavored stuff, so I'll have the banana. My boyfriend could have that one. Ooh, and then Shockers. Delicious. And then I have one thing left, which is the Cadbury Dairy Milk Fruit Nut. Awesome. Alright, well, I will say that this is kind of what I expected from Candy Box. It is something I would subscribe to. It is a pretty good price. You got a lot for $20 here. I kind of would like something though with more stuff that I can't just go buy if I want it. I would like to be able to get rare stuff that I can't have. But my favorite thing out of the whole thing probably is this blackjack candy. I can't get this here, I don't think. I'll probably do some research about it, and I would want more of this. It's also a good thing to subscribe to because there's probably lots of candy you've never tried, so you keep getting random candy each month, and then you have the chance to try them. Well, I'll put this all back in, and it'll probably be done by tomorrow anyway. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you liked the video, and maybe you found some candy you wanted to try too. And thank you to Candy Box for sending me this free box. It was awesome. I really appreciate it, and I hope to maybe subscribe to you and do some more. Anyways, take care guys. See you guys later. Bye!